Hey peeps, good morning. I'm still in bed, y'all. I'm still in bed. Definitely. Um, you know, this is like it's. I think it's about 5:30 now, and this is like one. Oh gosh, my face looks so dry. I mean, this is like definitely my lip is dry. This is one of the morning. Like I just don't feel like waking up and making our exercise or whatnot like that or making a video. But you don't know when you make a promise, you have to try fulfill it or come true. So definitely I will have to get up and make the video. So I'm gonna get up in a bit. I'm gonna look for a song. But definitely this morning I won't be like doing anything like cause people say like, oh, it's more like a dance, it don't look like a workout. But it's like a dance workout. So sometimes I will be mixing it up. I may be like, gosh, my face looks so dry. I maybe be like mixing it a bit. Like sometimes I will be like just breaking out or just dancing or something. But definitely people, I don't know. I just play a song and I just do what I feel like or whatnot like that. But this morning, I think I'm just gonna look for a song that have maybe like a little beat, something to it, and I'm just gonna just work out then, just and stuff like that. Just do some madness this morning. So look out for that beat. So yeah, my face looks so dry and crusty. Like people, I moisturize a lot. I do moisturize a lot, so I don't know why my face looking so dry. And I'm greasy. I'm dry, but my face look dry, but like still oily because I have oily skin in the morning when I wake. I'm like greasing. I'll be greasing all night, all morning. So I'm gonna get up, freshen up a bit, and kick off the video. So see you guys in a bit. So peeps, I'm like here now. I'm up. I'm like scrolling, trying to find like a song. As I said, I was, you guys be saying like, oh, it's like I'm dancing, I'm not working out. So I'm just scrolling. I'm trying to find like a song to just move to. So I'm thinking maybe like soca. So I don't know, but I don't know. But I'm scrolling. I'm looking at a song. I'm not sure like what song I'm gonna choose it, but I'm just gonna play a song, listen to it, and just move my body according to the song. Something more upbeat. But but I don't know. Soca Trinidad. This song, Patrice Roberts, Big Girl No official. Soca, and my net is giving problem also. So I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just scrolling, you guys. Like, I asked you guys to like send me songs, but no response. Why not? People say me I whine too much, like too much whining that I know workout or dance. But get up. Eh, 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 eh. Eh, eh, eh. Eh, eh, eh. I'm a big girl now. Okay, peeps, I'll get back to you when I finally select a song to. Well, I mean, peeps, as I told you, I wasn't really like feeling the mood this morning to like make a video, and sometimes, that happens sometime, but I know I promised, so I want to deliver. It might have been messy and whatnot, but tomorrow it will be better, definitely. So I'm gonna finish my workout. Nothing epic, just dancing. Sometimes I just dance like 45 minutes to an hour. I'll just dance and just sweat. My heart rate goes up. I'll jump, broke, whine, all sort of something. I'm a big woman, not a little girl. I'm not 16 again. So when you see me a wine, say nobody say what she a wine like she's a badass. I have the right to whine because I ain't 16 again. You understand? I'm a big girl now. Like I like Trinidad accent. I'm a big girl now. I'm a big. Hey. Woo. No man, this one some Valium pandis. Right, no time. Again, I'm not 16 again. So don't expect me to be the same. people, this is my new groove. I'll be playing this, working out too in the mornings when I do the video for you guys. I'll definitely be tuning into this dance song. I shop with laptop. And I'll be whining. If there are any Trinidad people out there, I love your guys' song, soca songs. I love you guys' accent. I'm a big girl now. Anyways, peace. Love you guys. So suck my big toe, babes. I'm like babes. Which babes? But anyway, peeps. I'm sweating, y'all, and I haven't done anything as yet. Woo! Jesus, if I see, oh, she broke it down a while ago. Me have to go try learn them move there and come give to Unu tomorrow. Anyways, peeps, this is where I'm gonna end this video. So, suck my big toe. Bye, peeps. Have a productive day. And just go and go listen to some soca music and wind up your body.